Today I am reviewing the Meta Quest 3. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Meta Quest 3 512GB is, without a doubt, one of the most impressive and immersive standalone VR headsets on the market today. It takes everything that was great about the Quest 2 and elevates it to an entirely new level. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or someone simply curious about the future of virtual and mixed reality, this device brings the action, excitement, and wonder right into your living room, without needing any external sensors, wires, or even a PC. Let's talk about the visuals first. With a nearly 30% leap in resolution compared to its predecessor, the Meta Quest 3 offers a stunningly sharp and vibrant 4K infinite display. Every world you step into feels more alive, more textured, and more detailed. Whether you're slashing sabers to the beat, exploring fantasy landscapes, or diving deep into story-driven experiences like Batman, Arkham Shadow, the level of clarity is nothing short of breathtaking. The screen door effect that used to remind you were looking at a display, that's been significantly reduced. It genuinely feels like you're looking into a different world rather than through a screen. Now, the performance is where things get even more impressive. Powered by the latest Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, the Meta Quest 3 delivers twice the graphical processing power of the Quest 2. What this means in everyday use is faster load times, smoother frame rates, and next-gen graphics that rival what you'd expect from a high-end gaming console. The environments feel richer, animations are fluid, and lag is virtually non-existent. If you've ever felt slightly pulled out of immersion due to stutters or slowdowns, those days are now over. One of the biggest reasons people choose the Quest line is the freedom of wireless play, and Meta has doubled down on that. No cords, no base stations, no limits. You can play, work out, or explore immersive games untethered and with complete freedom of movement. It gives you that liberating, full-body VR experience without any technical fuss. Whether you're doing squats in a VR fitness app or ducking behind cover in a high-intensity shooter, the freedom to move makes a huge difference. But where the Quest 3 really begins to blur the line between real and virtual is in its mixed reality capabilities. Using dual RGB color cameras, the Quest 3 allows you to see and interact with both virtual and physical environments at the same time. This full-color pass-through feature means your coffee table, couch, or even your cat is visible in high fidelity while you're playing or working. It's no longer just VR. It's a seamless blending of realities. This opens up endless possibilities for gameplay, workspaces, or interactive experiences that anchor digital elements in your real-world environment. The battery life is another area that's seen a boost. With over 2 hours of active use on a single charge, it provides just enough time for most gaming or fitness sessions without constantly needing to recharge. It's not groundbreaking, but it's definitely reliable, and with quick charging, you're never out of the game for too long. Internally, the headset comes with 8GB of RAM, which is 33% more than the Quest 2. This means apps open faster, transitions are smoother, and multitasking between apps or streaming features feels more responsive. If you're the kind of person who likes switching between games, fitness apps, or social VR, you'll appreciate the snappy performance. And of course, storage. This model gives you a generous 512GB of space, which is more than enough to store dozens of full-size games, apps, and media without constantly managing your library. For serious gamers or content hoarders, this is a huge plus. To sweeten the deal, Meta is also including a 3-month trial of Meta Horizon Plus, giving you access to a wide range of games and social experiences right from the start. And if you're a Batman fan, you'll be thrilled to know that you also get Batman, Arkham Shadow included, a major AAA quality VR title that really shows off what this hardware can do. In conclusion, the Meta Quest 3 512GB is a truly next-generation VR and mixed reality headset. It's incredibly powerful, beautifully designed, packed with quality-of-life improvements, and offers an experience that rivals PC-tethered VR headsets, all in a standalone form. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or jumping into VR for the first time, this is one of the most complete, immersive, and future-ready options available today. Highly recommended.